Hello friends, today we are going to see how to install Carepro script. Okay, I am just uploaded the files to the root directory and I am just came to the installation procedures. I'm just clicking on next. Okay, we will have to the script will initially check the basic necessities and extensions to be enabled on our server. Okay, so the permissions are okay and I am clicking on check next, and it will on the third step it will check for the storage permissions. Okay, now the storage permission also enabled. Okay, next we are going to the next step. Just click on this. I am naming it as Carepro itself. You can name whatever you need. Okay, and I am just using the local host, so I am just using the local host. If you are using the live production environment, you just use the whatever the website where you install the script. Okay, I'm just clicking to the next step for the database setup. Okay, I'm just created the Carepro as the database name, and I am just leaving this database host as localhost, or you can use the IP address as it is. Database name is Carepro and database username is root, and just clicking on next step we are getting the mail server, whatever things you just configure here itself, the pusher ID and the Redis driver and broadcasting, caching, session queue, whatever the things you need to configure according to your server, you just configure here. You just don't forget to configure the mail SMTP settings here. Okay, I'm just clicking on install next. Okay, now the installation will begin. Just keep waiting on the same screen for some time. Hello friends, the installation has been completed as of now. Okay, here are the log files. The database has been installed, I think. Yeah, the database has been completely received on the phpMyAdmin. Okay, you just here is the env file. You just don't forget to copy. In some scripts the php file may not be populated in the .env file. Okay, now we don't need to paste here. Okay, as the files are already created. Okay, just click here to exit. Yeah, and here we are. We have received in the we have successfully installed the Carepro Carepro script for our users. So what are the use of the Carepro? So you can use this for managing any of the things, and just I am explaining how to log in here. The default password is password, and email ID is admin@email.com. So this is our dashboard, so you can go through here. So this supports the bank transfer, PayPal, Rave and Stripe payments gateways, and here are the administrative tools to manage your website in front end. So you can go by this way. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel. If you need any videos or tutorials to how to install any of the scripts, you just comment here, or you can check our Telegram channel and give your request. Thanks for watching.